Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. Have you ever thought about making some shoe charms for your Crocs? If this is your first time watching one of my videos, I do project videos using a Glowforge 3D laser printer. And if you like those type of videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell so you will be notified when I drop a new video. We on the road to 10K, so you make sure you subscribe and hit that bell. Before we get off into the project, I want to give a shout out to my man Travis. Travis ended up DMing me on Instagram and he asked me to help him. He wants to make and sell shoe charms that goes on your Crocs. And him and his mom, they watch all of my videos. So he asked me to make a video on how I would make some shoe charms for Crocs. So Travis, this video is for you, and I hope this video helps you in convincing her to get y'all a Glowforge. This project is going to be very short and simple. I will only be using Glowforge print. So let's head over to it and design some shoe charms. First thing we're going to do, we're going to go up here to this insert text and we're just going to select it. And the font that I'm going to use is this Beavers right here. So in order to make Troy to make, we're going to have to insert this text 3 different times. First thing we're going to do is type in Troy like so. Select text again. We're gonna go with do one more, and it's going to say maker. That's how we're gonna do it. We're gonna zoom in and we're going to just line it up as straight and centered as we possibly can. Okay, that looks good right there. So the next thing we're gonna do, you're gonna select the whole entire thing, and we're going to create an outline around it. So we're gonna go over here to this create outline, and we're just gonna create the outline first. So we don't want it to be so thick going around it. So we're gonna change it to about 0.05 inches. That should give us a nice little outline. So that's gonna give us the outline that we're looking for. If we zoom in some, you see how you got that little right here in between the E and between the O and the Y? We can easily change that by selecting the outline, and maybe we should go, let's go 0.06 there. And it gets rid of the little spots that was in between and clean it up a little bit so it don't be in the way. So that's how we did Troy the Maker. We're going to do the same thing for this right here. Create an outline, 0.05. Yep, that looks good right there. Make it about 1 inch. So let's go down. That looks fine right there. And we're going to do one more. So let's add a text, and we're going to use the same font. We're going to create 10K. Yeah, I like that. We're going to do a 10K. Make it a little bigger, something like that. So let's go on and create an outline around it. Okay, we got the outline. Let's go with 0.05. See what we're looking like. Oh, that looks just fine to me. Let's select it. Make it about 1 inch. Whichever one comes first. Oh, there we go right there. That's the 10K. So these are the designs that we're going to make. As you can see, it was very simple to make it in Glowforge print. We're going to go with medium black acrylic. For this project, we're going to be using some scrap pieces of acrylic. I have some black, white, and red. All of them is 1/8 inch thick. We got all of the pieces cut out. Okay, you see we got some paint brushes right here. I have some acrylic paint right here that I'm gonna use to fill in these engraved shoe charms right here. So first thing I'm gonna do is, like, on some of them, you can see like it got like some little dust inside of it from the engraving. I'm just gonna use one of the brushes and basically like just like get all of the dust out of it. My plan is to fill the red up with some white acrylic. I'm gonna fill the white acrylic up with black, and the Trotter Maker, I'm gonna fill this one up with white, and this 10K, I'm gonna fill it up with this metallic gold that I have right here. Okay, I have let the paint sit and dry for a couple hours. I'm gonna use some Gorilla Tape to take off this masking paper, and hopefully it turns out good. So I forgot to mention about the actual Jibbitz. I think these are called Jibbitz or some type of pin. These are the backs that we're going to use to put inside of the Croc. So this part right here is the part you want to glue to the back of your pen like so. And this part right here is the part that goes inside of the hole inside of the Croc. You have the Croc and you take this part and you're gonna squeeze it in and it's gonna fit in like so. What I tell you, quick and simple, and we only use Glowforge print. Custom acrylic shoe charms for your Crocs. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next project. Peace.